This is another relaxing video for you to enjoy. The first thing I'm going to do is apply some warm coconut oil into the scalp. I'm drizzling the oil through my fingers and massaging the oil into the hair and the scalp. Running my fingers through the hair, slowly moving around the head. Using my fingertips, I'm firmly massaging the scalp, down the sides of the head, top of the head, in circular motions. The massage movement is slow. I am moving my hands around the top of the scalp in nice circular motions. It's a very soothing massage movement. It's very soothing to get a scalp massage. It's really relaxing to lie back and have your scalp massaged all around the head, along the hairline, around the sides of the head, around the base of the neck, running my fingers through the hair and just giving a slight tug along the scalp can feel really nice as well. I use gentle pressing movements, nice circular motions. I massage around the top of the scalp, just going across the hairline and moving back and forward and applying pressure with my thumbs. I am moving from one ear to the top of the forehead, just above the hairline, to the other side. Taking a deep breath during a treatment, in and out, letting your body relax. Just letting the movements of the massage relax and unwind you. Just letting the stress melt away. Just letting go. Massage helps with tension and stress. The massage slowly melts all that away. Massage increases and improves circulation. Massage soothes anxiety and depression. Massage can help improve sleep. Massage can boost your immunity and it can relieve headaches. I continue massaging the back of the scalp in circular motions, working around the base of the neck, around the occipital bone. Moving the head to the side means I can get right into the occipital bone. The occipital bone is at the base of the back of the head. There's a ridge there, and I'm placing all four of my fingers just underneath that ridge and massaging slightly underneath that. I move down through the occipital and I follow back up through the back of the head along the hairline, and then I also switch sides and do the same again. There's a lot of tension that's held in the neck. Can be from posture, can be from stress. Massaging the occipital bone and just around the lower neck area can feel really relaxing. as I work, I apply more warm coconut oil. Using my fingertips, I'm going to rub the oil through the hair. Very gently, I'm detangling the hair with the oil that I've applied. The oil is a coconut oil that's been heated. The oil helps with massaging the scalp. The oil nourishes the hair, the scalp. Using all of my fingertips, I am massaging the scalp. It's a firm movement. I am feeling the scalp moving as I massage it. I'm just going to move into the whispering part of this video now. I'm going to really get quiet now. We're just going to go over some of the movements that I've been using again. Whilst I alternate my hands, I use my fingertips like a brush, concentrating on just my thumbs in this movement. I am using slight circular movements along the hairline. We're just moving around and around along the hairline. Just moving down now to the ears. I'm creating a pressure as I move along the side of the scalp. I'm covering the whole head and I'm massaging in one big circular motion. Back to the hairline with my thumbs, creating that pressure